you're just gonna lay it on the skin. Just lay it on the skin like that. Okay, don't massage it on your lips. And if you have sagging jawline, this one is for you. Just completely cover that jawline. And you can always take this down on the neck and the décolleté. Oh, I just love this. If you have all those wrinkles on your neckline right there, décolleté, just apply the mask. And this have a very pleasant fragrance.
To make a facial mask, a quick and easy facial mask that when applied on your skin twice per week can help your skin to look clean, clear, bright, radiant. It will help to boost collagen and elastin in the skin, or that can help to transform your skin once used on a regular.
So here I have some blended dried orange and lemon peel mixed together. And this is gonna exfoliate the skin, but it is rich in vitamin C. Vitamin C help to lighten and brighten the skin. We're gonna use a tablespoon of the orange lemon peel mixture. Next, I'm reaching for my turmeric. Today I'm using the white turmeric. I think I'm going to add a little bit of the yellow turmeric in it too. But you can go ahead and use either your white or your yellow turmeric for this recipe. Have to lighten, brighten the skin and also help to lift, tighten, and firm the skin. I'm using about a tablespoon of the turmeric powder. And now I'm mixing the turmeric with the orange lemon peel. Next, I'm going to reach for some cornstarch. And cornstarch will help to tighten and firm the skin. It will also have to get rid of excess oil from the skin. So if you have oily skin, if you have a lot of large pores, this one is for you. So we're mixing orange lemon peel, turmeric powder, and some cornstarch. And now we're going to add some liquid to this. Now, this is where you get interested because you can choose any kind of liquid. You can choose to use milk, you can choose to use green tea, or you can choose to use water. And I chose to use water for this recipe. So I'm going to slowly pour my water in a little at a time, which is going to equal to about 3 tablespoons or so of water. And now we are going to mix this into a paste. So get rid of all the lumps, thoroughly mix all 3 ingredients together. Mix well. Now when you infuse all these 3 ingredients together, it's going to create a powerhouse of antioxidant for your skin. It contains vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin A, the D vitamin, the electrolytes. This is so jam-packed with vital ingredients that's going to have to transform the skin. So totally mix and mix well. Here's another trick to this, guys. If you have any form of a facial hair and you use this on a regular on the face, it will also help to get rid of your facial hair. With that said, let me add a little bit of honey to this recipe. Honey will help to get rid of excess grease from the skin, but it also contains antibacterial properties, which makes it great for acne prone skin. It's also very hydrating and nourishing to the skin. I'm going to add about a half a teaspoon of honey to the recipe, and we're going to mix well. This is optional. If you do not have the honey, that is okay. So now that we have the mixture mixed, what I like to do, I like to set it aside for a couple of minutes or so for it to totally infuse, and it's going to get a little thicker, and that is going to be really, really good because it's going to make the application easier. You can use this as a facial scrub. You can just take it as it is now and just use it to exfoliate your face, or you let it sit for a little, a couple of hours or so, and then you use it as a skin tightening, skin brightening facial mask. A mask that you can use on the face, the neck, and the décolleté. So set it aside, and now I'm going to come and show you a quick live demonstration of how to use this on your skin.
You're just going to lay it on the skin. Just lay it on the skin like that. okay to massage it on your lips. And if you have sagging jawline, this one is for you. Just completely cover that jawline. And you can always take this down on the neck and the décolleté. Oh, I just love this. If you have all those wrinkles on your neckline right there, décolleté, just apply the mask. And this is a very pleasant fragrance. It smells so good. Do not let this one get in your eyes. It do have granules in it. And work fast with it because it's dry really, really quick. Okay? If you have large pores, you take a handful and guess what? When you're applying it, because it do have some granules in it, just open your fingers like this and massage it on the skin. This is helping to exfoliate the skin, getting rid of those blackheads and those whiteheads, and also cleaning out those pores, cleaning out the dead skin cells from the pores. So just massage it on the skin. Use your fingers to work this in, and then when you're done with that, you just take your hand and just smooth it out like I'm showing here. Just smooth it like that. Yes. And then you're going to leave this on your skin to dry for at least 30 minutes. Double duty this mask is doing, a facial scrub and a facial mask. Now once your face is completely covered with the mask, what you're going to do, you're going to let it dry on the skin. Let it dry on your skin for at least 30 minutes. In about 5 minutes, it's going to feel the drying sensation. You're going to feel the drying sensation on the skin. Let it sit, walk around with it, go read a book, do what you have to do. And when it is done, you go ahead, you rinse off, preferably with some warm water. Rinse off, pat dry the skin, and apply your favorite skincare products. Now this mask is good to use at least 2 to 3 times per week for best results.
And there you have it, a simple facial mask that you can whip up in your kitchen. It can help to clear pigmentation on the skin. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and try this one. Give it a try. Use it on your skin twice a week at least. You can guess what? After about 6 weeks, come back and leave a comment. Thank you all, and I'll see you in my next video.